Hello, humans. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're making one of the most famous comfort foods of all time. Creamy, cheesy, oven-baked mac and cheese. Let's get started. You will need 250 grams of macaroni, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 500 milliliters of milk, 200 grams of shredded cheddar cheese, 50 grams of Parmesan, breadcrumbs for topping, plus salt and pepper. Step 1. Boil the pasta until just al dente. Remember, it will finish cooking in the oven. Step 2. In a saucepan, melt the butter. Add flour and whisk until smooth. This is called a roux, the secret to creamy sauce. Step 3. Slowly pour in the milk while whisking. Keep going until the sauce thickens. Then add cheddar and Parmesan. Stir until it's silky and golden. Now, combine the pasta and cheese sauce. Mix until every piece is coated. Transfer it into a baking dish. Top with more cheese and sprinkle breadcrumbs for that perfect crunch. Bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, that's 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes. The top should be golden and bubbling. And here it is, oven-baked mac and cheese. Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside. The ultimate comfort food. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what dish I should make next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.